For more than a century, we've had cars. And for more than a century, we've had to fix them. Are you staying ahead of what's coming? Because a lot has changed. Customers, technology, talent. But what remains the same, fixing cars and getting customers back on the road. From single shop owners, let's go, to multi-shop operators. From wrench turners and master technicians. To the front house pros that keep customers coming back. Brace yourself. Everyone feels the change. You can't deny it. The ground is shifting. The rules are being rewritten. Customer expectations are changing. If you're not staying ahead of it, well, you're falling behind. At Tektonic, we're putting the whole playbook together in one place. Real operators, real results. Join us at Tektonic 2026. Don't miss the shift.